Okay, what's going on out here? What's going on out here? Kalahari. Quickly. No, quickly. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Let's go this way now. Come on. Here we go. Follow me. Follow me. I'm going to go visit Gypsy Rose. I know she's over here. Yes, let's see where she is. Where is Big Sis? Okay, there she is. She's camouflage cat right now. Gypsy Rose? And Kalahari. And Quickly. Okay, you guys are just milling around out here, huh? It is a gorgeous day. It's a little bit cool, but other than that, it's beautiful. Beautiful out here.